Mayor, because this is a huge construction site. I mean, how bad was the damage from Sandy?
We were totally wiped out. The entire boardwalk was destroyed. So we had to start from the ground up.
And so everything was gone. How far in either direction? Because I'm looking at a lot of boardwalk here.
This is a 1 mile boardwalk and every single block was totally destroyed.
Unbelievable. So this is essentially the artery for your town here. I mean, this has to be here.
This is how we balance our budget, through tourism. 65% is through tourism, 35% to property owners.
How many people enjoy this boardwalk every year?
Any given weekend, you can have 30,000 people. Holiday weekends, you double that number.
Unbelievable. And we got a holiday weekend coming up because the summer's about to start. So you guys are, I don't think it's an overstatement to say, in a desperate push to get ready for that.
You can't miss a single day. The only way you make money in Seaside Heights is you have to open up your doors.
Right.
And if we don't let them open up their doors, they can't pay their bills.
All right. Well, I know that you've got one tenant up here, property owner, that we're going to look in on, but I hope you guys get up and running before the summer.
Thank you for coming.
Good luck, Mayor. Thank you.
Take care.
Amusement park rides have been on this pier for over 50 years, but after Sandy, well, everything changed. Hey, Lou.
Hey, how are you?
All right. How are you? How did
Good.
things turn out after Sandy? How bad was it?
It's pretty bad. 200 feet of our pier got washed away.
Gone.
You know, and the basement's flooded, boardwalk ripped up. It was pretty bad.
When you say washed away, just completely ripped off and everything on top of it?
Yes, sir. We have 600 feet of our pier as it is. 200 of it has gone into the water. We lost 5 major rides.
Wow.
And components of other rides too. So they're all gone, and they're still actually in the water. We're taking them out in the next couple days.
So you guys have got to really do some rebuilding here. Are you rebuilding it the same way? You're making it stronger? What's the process?
No, we're definitely fortifying the property. The piers are 7 foot on centers. We're shoring up the buildings. We're making sure that they're supported from underneath. The basements are getting cement block walls to make sure that there's no inundation from the outside.
So we're not talking about just rebuilding the pier here, because you got a lot of infrastructure that needs work.
Yes, we do. We have our electrical components was housed in a basement that was flooded, so we're moving them up 1 level. And then in the same building, we have a 103-year-old carousel that we're hoping to assess once the electric gets turned back on, make sure everything came out all right with that.
103 years, that's a lot of memories. And what's the prognosis for the summer? You guys going to be open for business in time for the big weekend?
We're making it. We'll be open. We got a crew of several dozen people working every day, early to late, and we'll be ready.
I love to hear your resolve, Lou. Good luck.
All right, thank you.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.